The world of reality television thrives on drama, shocking revelations, and unexpected turns, and the hit TLC series 1000 LB Sisters has provided all of that and more since it first aired. Starring Tammy and Amy Slayton from Kentucky, the show has followed the sisters through their struggles with weight, GHT loss, health battles, family drama, and deeply personal transformations. But in recent weeks, one particular revelation has dominated the conversation among fans and media outlets: Tammy Slayton's latest announcement that could potentially spell doom for the future of 1000 LB Sisters. The statement has not only shocked her loyal viewer but has also raised questions about whether the popular reality show can survive the fallout of such a development. For years, Tammy has been at the heart of the series. Her battle with food addiction, her life-threatening health scares, and her resilience in the face of adversity have drawn in millions of fans who feel invested in her journey. But her announcement has shifted the spotlight in a dramatic way, and it's leaving many wondering if the very foundation of the show is about to collapse. When the news broke, speculation immediately erupted across social media platforms, with hashtags related to Tammy Slayton trending as viewers attempted to piece together what her words truly meant for the series. The Slayton sisters are no strangers to controversy, but this time feels different. Tammy's announcement came through a mixture of social media posts and cryptic comments made during live streams. While she did not initially spell out every detail, her tone and wording were enough to suggest that major changes are on the horizon. The most pressing fear among fans is that Tammy could be walking away from filming altogether. With 1000 LB Sisters so heavily centered on her life and struggles, her absence would leave an irreplaceable void. Amy Slayton, while popular in her own right, has a different trajectory, focusing largely on motherhood and her personal growth outside of weight loss. Without Tammy's presence, the balance of the show would be disrupted, and the producers would be left scrambling to find a narrative strong enough to keep viewer tuning in. The Slayton sisters have often alluded to the mental and emotional toll that filming takes. Cameras following their every move, producers pushing for drama, and the relentless attention from the public has not always been easy for Tammy to bear. Her announcement seems to hint at wanting to step away from that intense scrutiny and reclaim some privacy. If this is indeed the case, then the possibility of 1000 LB Sisters coming to an end becomes very real. TLC has built a successful franchise around the Slaytons, but history has shown that once a central cast member decides to leave, the network often struggles to replicate the same magic. In addition to the speculation about her quitting, some fans believe that Tammy's announcement could be tied to her health. Throughout the series, her condition has been a focal point, with many dramatic storylines revolving around her hospital stays, surgeries, and battles with obesity-related complications. In the latest season, viewers saw Tammy make significant progress after undergoing bariatric surgery and committing to lifestyle changes. Her transformation has been inspiring, but it has also created a narrative challenge. With Tammy on the path to recovery and stability, the show risks losing the dramatic tension that initially captivated audiences. In other words, if her journey has already reached a resolution, what more is there to show? This is where Tammy's announcement could intersect with TLC's decision-making. If she feels that her story arc has been told, she may no longer want to continue exposing her personal struggles to the public. Fans have expressed both support and disappointment in response to this possibility. On one hand, many argue that Tammy deserves peace, privacy, and the ability to live her life without cameras documenting every setback and triumph. On the other hand, the series has become a staple for reality TV lovers, and the idea of it ending abruptly leaves a bitter taste for viewers who have invested years into following the sisters' lives. Another angle that cannot be ignored is the ongoing tension between Tammy and the way she is portrayed on television. Reality shows often amplify drama for the sake of entertainment, and Tammy has frequently expressed frustration at being cast as the villain, or the one constantly struggling while others make progress. Her announcement could be a reaction to years of feeling misunderstood or misrepresented, and stepping away from the show could be her way of reclaiming control over her narrative. If this is true, it is a powerful statement about the realities of reality television, how much of it is real, and how much is shaped by producers to fit a storyline. The doom for 1000 LB Sisters, then, would not just come from Tammy's departure but also from fans losing faith in the authenticity of what they are watching. Beyond her own role, Tammy's announcement may also impact her relationships with her siblings. Amy, Chris, and Amanda have all played supporting but important parts in the show. If Tammy exits or the series ends, their on-screen stories may also come to a halt. Chris's weight loss journey has been inspirational, and Amanda's fiery personality has become a fan favorite. Losing the show could mean losing a platform for these narratives as well, which would be disappointing for viewers who enjoy the broader family dynamic. TLC could attempt to pivot by giving other family members more focus, but it is unclear if that would generate the same level of interest without Tammy anchoring the series. Financial implications are also at stake. Reality television not only provides fame but also a source of income for the cast. If Tammy's announcement leads to the end of the show, the Slayton family would need to adjust to life without that paycheck. Some might branch into other projects, like social media influencing or brand partnerships, but the guaranteed income and exposure from TLC would be gone. This adds another layer of complexity to Tammy's decision, as her announcement could have ripple effects far beyond the show itself. Fans have voiced concern that the Slaytons could struggle financially without the series, though others argue that the family is resourceful enough to adapt. One cannot underestimate the role of fan pressure in all of this. The Slaytons' lives are constantly scrutinized online, and Tammy in particular has faced relentless trolling and criticism about her appearance, lifestyle, and choices. The weight of this negativity could be part of what pushed her to make her announcement. Living under such a microscope takes a toll, and the desire to escape from that may outweigh any benefits of continuing the show. If so, then the doom for 1000 LB Sisters is less about TLC or ratings and more about the human cost of fame. The bigger question now is whether TLC will attempt to salvage the show in some way. Networks rarely let a successful franchise die quietly. Spin-offs, reboots, and reimagined formats are all possibilities. Could Amy and her children become the focus of a new series? Could Chris take center stage in a show about his weight loss journey? Or could Tammy herself agree to continue in a more limited capacity, offering occasional updates rather than full seasons of filming? These are all potential paths forward, but none would capture the same lightning in a bottle that the original series did. The uncertainty of Tammy's announcement leaves everyone guessing, and that suspense in itself has become part of the drama. In the end, whether 1000 LB Sisters survives Tammy's announcement depends on how fans, producers, and the Slayton family respond in the coming months. If Tammy truly intends to walk away, the doom for the show may already be sealed. But if TLC finds a way to adapt, there may still be life left in the franchise. What remains clear is that Tammy's voice carries immense weight, not just in her personal journey, but in the fate of an entire television series. Her announcement has shaken the foundation of 1000 LB Sisters, and the aftershocks are only beginning to be felt. As speculation swirls, fans are left with one undeniable truth: Tammy Slayton has once again proven that she is the heartbeat of the show. Whether she stays or goes, her influence on the series and its future is undeniable. For now, all eyes are on Tammy as the world waits to see what her next move will be, and whether 1000 LB Sisters will survive the storm or crumble under the weight of her decision. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.